Hey, what's up? What you doing? How's life? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, welcome to my wash day routine. So I'm going in with Aztec clay, and then I will be putting some aloe I put too much, but I'll be putting aloe vera, and I'll also be putting my oil. The link will be down below to where you can purchase. And this is my hair. I'm saturating it first with some water. My hair is actually super duper dirty. I had just taken out some braids, and I'm using this brush slash detangling comb. I don't know what to call it, but I did get it from Walmart, and I think it was like $10. Also guys, be mindful about how much oil you put. I put a bit too much oil, so it did clump up the Aztec, and it took longer than usual to wash out. I'm just going over, making sure each strand is saturated in that Aztec clay, and I'll be leaving it in for about like 30 minutes. As you can see, okay, so this is it being washed out. Like I said, it was a bit more difficult for me to wash everything out because it did get clumpy, but yeah. Now I'm going in with my heat activated mask. This is by Cream of Nature or African Pride. Yeah, I think it was African Pride. Alright y'all, so I just put this random Walmart bag, no, this is Presidente, this Presidente bag on my head, and now I'm just using the blow dryer to deep condition, to activate the deep conditioner. And I just put my hair in some doo-doo braids, not perfect for my wash and go. And here I am stretching it, and I also use my scrunchies to stretch it. This isn't my best wash and go, but I definitely got the job done. So that's all that matters. Voila. Like I said, this isn't my best, but this is okay enough. My hair texture is 4B, 4C. I don't know, I have 4A in the back and some in the front. Y'all, I have all the types in the rainbow. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And again guys, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. Bye.